applying it in your career, you can double your income and this return on investment is 100%. Hi, in this video, I'm going to share with you the 3 ways to invest your first $1,000 right now towards achieving your first $1 million. I understand that not everyone is in the same situation and financial background. So let me be upfront here and say that all my sharing in this video is based on my personal opinion. So let's go. Point number 1 is to invest in yourself. This will give you the highest return on investment compared to any other things. You may heard of others saying this as well, but that is the fact. You will get a much higher return using the $1,000 learning, improving your skills instead of investing it elsewhere. I'm talking about reading books about investing, business, coding, public speaking, or any other skills. Can also be through seminars, online course, and mentorship. It should be something that is going to impact your career long term. Using this $1,000 to expand your knowledge on whatever industry you want to see yourself in. For example, you have learned new skills about sales strategies, and by applying it in your career, you can double your income from $4,000 per month to $8,000 per month. And this return on investment is 100%. Point number 2 is to invest in your business or side hustle. We know that business generate the most return on investment compared with other asset classes. So use the $1,000 to start a business that you always wanted to do. For example, start a dropshipping business, buying a website domain, creating an app, or etc. You have to start somewhere. No matter what happened to this $1,000, at the end of the day, you are still a winner. Because through this journey, you will understand what you should do and what to avoid in the future. And this is exactly how to use this $1,000 as a launch pad towards a $1 million net worth. Subscribe to this channel so that you will receive all the valuable content in the future videos. Point number 3 is to invest in the stock market. Learn how to invest in the stock market is a lifetime skill that enable you to create passive income. And the fastest way to learn it is to involve real money in the stock market. Making a mistake now with $1,000 is definitely much more wise compared to making a mistake when you invest $100,000 in the future. And the mistake you make right now is not to set you back, but to be a launch pad to bring you to the next level. Just like starting a business, no successful businessman reached the top immediately with the first idea. They went through many trials and errors to become who they are today. So the earlier you make mistake, the earlier you learn, and the earlier you can reach your goals. And that is the reason I started investing as early as 18 years old. If you want to know how to invest safely in the stock market, I have left my free online course in the description below. In conclusion, these are my recommendations for investing your first $1,000. Number 1, invest in yourself. Number 2, invest in your business or even side hustle. Number 3, invest in the stock market. Anyway, I hope you find this video useful and benefit from this sharing. Make sure to click subscribe and the notification bell so that you will not miss out on future money making pointers. Thank you once again for watching. I really appreciate it and I will see you soon.